Okay, so children, starting with the page number 154. On that page, you can see there is a graph given there. Okay, that graph is of table 13.5. You know that Paheli and her friend were going to the picnic, correct? And then the through bus, and she was recording the odometer reading, and that data is given on page number 151. So according to that data, this you have to plot. Okay, that graph is shown of it. Now here you can see here at 8 o'clock means it's at origin, bus is at origin. Here you can see 8:30, 9, then 9:30 and 10. And here on y-axis, the distance is given, it's in kilometer. The bus has traveled maximum 80 kilometer. So I want here anybody to read from this part and then I'll start with the explanation. Keshav, start reading better.
Generally, the choice of scale is not as simple as in the example given in figure 13.12 and 13.13. We may have to choose two different scales to represent the desired quantities on the x-axis and y-axis. Let us try to understand this process with an example. Let us again consider the motion of the bus that took Paheli and her friends to the picnic. The distance covered and time taken by the bus are shown in the table 13.5. The total distance covered by the bus is 80 km. If we decide to choose a scale 1 kilometer equals to 1 centimeter, we shall have to draw an axis of length 80 centimeter. This is not possible on a sheet of paper. On the
Yes,
other hand,
1 minute. Wait, pause. Keshav, wait. Now what is shown here कि if we decide to choose a scale 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter, मतलब टोटल हमें 80 किलोमीटर्स बताना है और अगर उसके लिए 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर लेंगे देन वी नीड 80 सेंटीमीटर. तो 80 सेंटीमीटर का इतना बड़ा पेज तो हम नहीं यूज कर सकते ना ग्राफ के लिए. So that is not possible on a sheet of paper. So what we have to choose as a scale 10 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब ये रहा कि 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 किलोमीटर. तो इजीली हमारा 8 सेंटीमीटर में ही 80 सेंटीमीटर कवर हो रहा है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली means every time we cannot choose the same scale according to the values and the highest and lowest value we have to choose our scale. Okay, further on the other hand यहाँ से read करना है. परिता, read. Where is Parita? Shunakshi.
Parita is not a class.
Okay, she must have left. Shunakshi, start. On the other hand, from here you can.
On the other hand, a scale 10 km is equals to 1 centimeter would require an axis of length only 8 centimeter. This scale is quite convenient. However, the graph covers only a small part of the graph paper. Some of the points to be kept in the mind while choosing the most suitable scale.
Okay, so when you select the scale, you have to keep these 3 points in mind, that the difference between the highest and the lowest values of each quantity. क्वांटिटी मतलब यहाँ पे हमारा टाइम एक क्वांटिटी है, डिस्टेंस एक क्वांटिटी, उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड हाईएस्ट वैल्यू, ओके, वो क्या है वो आपको पता होनी चाहिए, देन ओनली यू कैन इजीली सिलेक्ट द स्केल। देन सेकेंड पॉइंट रीड करो यहां से सोनाक्षी, द इंटरमीडिएट। The intermediate values of each quantity so that with the scale chosen it to convenient to mark the value on the graph and to utilize the maximum part of the paper on which the graph is to be drawn. Okay, 1 minute. So 1 minute, wait. The intermediate values means जो बीच की values है that also are very important so that with the scales chosen it is convenient to mark the values on the graph. And lastly here to utilize the maximum part of the paper, ऐसा ना हो कि हम ग्राफ पेपर ले रहे हो ग्राफ हमारा बहुत सा छोटू सा बन जाए and the much space is left blank, it should not be like that. Okay, come on, चलो यहाँ से अभी कौन रीड करेगा? संचिता कैन रीड। Ma'am, can I read? Yes. Raisha can read. Come on.
Well, this is seventh glacier.
Seven glacier. No, Misha can read.
Suppose that you are given a graph paper of size 25 centimeter
Into
into
25
25
centimeters.
centimeter, one of this scale which meets the above condition and can acco- Ma'am, what is it?
Accommodate
Accommodate the date of
data of
table 13.5 could be distance 5 kilometers
okay.
is equal to
1
1
minute
centimeter
pause.
and time 6 minutes and 1 centimeter.
1 minute wait. Now see here you have to assume. Suppose that you are given a graph paper of size 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter. मतलब लेंथ भी वो पेपर की 25 सेंटीमीटर है और ब्रीथ भी 25 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब इट्स अ स्क्वायर पेपर ऑफ साइड 25 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वन ऑफ द स्केल्स विच मीट्स, और आपको स्केल ये सिलेक्ट करनी है. क्या स्केल क्या है? डिस्टेंस 5 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर एंड टाइम, मतलब डिस्टेंस ये जो है डिस्टेंस ऑन दी वाई स्केल, वाई एक्सिस पे कैसे लेना है? 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 5 किलोमीटर लेना है. और टाइम जो है ऑन एक्स एक्सिस यू हैव टू कंसिडर 6 मिनट्स इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, डेटा इज द सेम ओनली दिस वाला, ये जो इसका जो डेटा है वही. यहाँ पे हमारा 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 15 मिनट्स है. आपको क्या लेना है? 6 minutes. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just calculate about it. कितना सेंटीमीटर will this graph be fitted on the size of 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter? क्या इसके ऊपर फिट हो पाएगा? Yes, children. What do you say? Calculate and let me know. Yes. Anybody got the answer? कि डिस्टेंस अगर 5 किलोमीटर के लिए 1 सेंटीमीटर लेंगे तो हमें 80 सेंटीमीटर दिखाने के लिए कितने सेंटीमीटर्स, सॉरी 80 किलोमीटर दिखाने के लिए कितने सेंटीमीटर्स लगेंगे? Yes, what, Keshav? 16 centimeter. Very good, perfect. 16 सेंटीमीटर लगेगा. एंड व्हाट अबाउट टाइम? टाइम में अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 6 मिनट्स है, वैसे आपको 2 आवर्स है ना, 8 बजे से 10 बजे तक, मतलब 2 आवर्स. अभी 1 आवर में 60 मिनट्स होती है, तो 2 आवर इज इक्वल टू 120 मिनट्स. तो उसको भी आप कैलकुलेट करो. उसके लिए कितने मिनट्स लगेगी आपको, अरे कितने सेंटीमीटर्स लगेंगे? Yes, 1 minute, 6 minutes is equal to 1 centimeter. And to 20 centimeter. Very good, है ना? 20 centimeter. Very good. You people are very smart. Okay, so I'm showing you here. जैसे कि like this way, है ना? 16 सेंटीमीटर में फिट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. एंड टाइम विल बी फिट इन 20 सेंटीमीटर. और आपके पास ग्राफ की साइज क्या है? पेज की साइज 25 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 25 सेंटीमीटर. सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है, कैन यू नाउ ड्रॉ द डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ फॉर द मोशन ऑफ द बस? यस, डेफिनेटली आप इजीली ड्रॉ कर पाओगे. इज द ग्राफ ड्रॉन by you similar to that shown in figure 13.13? यहाँ पे जो है, एक मिनट, 13.13 फिगर जो है, ये रहा हमारा ग्राफ. क्या उससे मैच होगा? यस, उसका भी हमें स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ ही मिलेगा. ओके ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू दिस. आर्यन पात्रो, read beta from your distance type graphs. Can you say the page number? 154. Last line में you can see on my screen also. Distant time graph provide a variety of information about the motion when compared to the data presented by a table. For example, table 13.5 gives information about the distance moved by the bus of only at some definite time intervals. On the other hand, from the distant time graph, we can find the distance moved by the bus at any instant of time. Suppose we want to know how many distance the bus had traveled at 8:15 a.m. We mark the point corresponding to the time 8:15 a.m. on the x-axis. Suppose this point is A. Next, we draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis of parallel to the y-axis at point A. We then mark the point T on the graph at which the perpendicular line intersects. In 13.14 next, we draw a line through the point T parallel to the x-axis. This intersects the y-axis at the point B. The distance corresponding to the point B on the y-axis gives us the distance in kilometers covered by the bus at 8:15 a.m. How much is this distance in kilometers? Can you now help Kaylee to find the distance moved by the bus at 9:45 a.m.? Can you also find the speed of the bus from the distance time graph? Okay, so what you understood from this part, that with the help of this distance time graph, we can get the information at any instance of time. Okay, मतलब कोई भी टाइम पे हम इजीली इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे पूछा है कि एट 8:15 where the or what is the distance covered by the bus. So from the graph you can easily find here 8 o'clock मतलब starting point जो origin है वहां से 8:30 का टाइम था. ओके, आधा घंटा का ड्यूरेशन. बट वी वांट द पोजीशन एट 8:15. तो हम यहाँ पे 815 हाफ मार्क करेंगे एंड दैट विल बी मार्क्ड एट ए एज अ ए, और उसको हम कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग करेंगे यहाँ पे पॉइंट, तो लाइक हियर. ओके, नाउ so where that bus is at the 8:15, कितना किलोमीटर कवर किया है उसने? 10 किलोमीटर. Yes. So from the graph it is very easy to get the information. Are you all clear, children, here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to read what you have learned. ये पार्ट आपको रीड करना है. आज का आपका होमवर्क रहेगा. 1 minute. Yes, Pashwa, please mute. Pashwa. So today's your homework will be to complete this textual exercise on page number 156 and 157. Now coming to your notebook work, which was given to you as a homework to do complete the last topic of this chapter. We are going to discuss that, and if you people have completed that all today, then you can send it to me for checking purpose. Okay, starting the name of the chapter should be there. At the end of the chapter, your parent signature should be there. So everybody now open that topic. Again, I'm sharing here. This was the last topic to be done. Distance time graph. This question was given to write. What do you mean by distance time graph? So यहाँ पे only question answer लिखना है आपको. Very easy. It is a simple line graph that denotes distance versus time on the graph. Distance is plotted on y-axis and time is plotted on y-axis. Simple. Password should sit properly. Yes. Question number 2. Which of the different types of graphs used in newspaper, magazine? So that is also very simple. What are the different types of graphs, children? Very good. Okay, so you all know the names of the different types of graph. And in this chapter, we have learned which type of graph? Very good. Okay, okay. Now coming to third question. Show the shape of the distance time graph for the motion of the following cases. तो यहाँ पे first case है a car moving with a constant speed. So children, these are the two graphs answer of this question. So here you mention it as answer, and if a vehicle is moving with a constant speed means you have to draw a straight line graph. You will get a straight line graph. Even you can mention uniform motion and that vehicle is moving with a constant speed. Second case, a car parked on the side road. If a vehicle is parked on a side, then it is having a no motion. So horizontal slipping line. Fourth one, look at the graph below of the two vehicles A and B. Which one is moving faster? So here is the graph. From that you have to identify which vehicle is moving faster. A. So you have to just write a single statement. Vehicle A is moving faster. Fifth one. Which of the following distance time graph shows a truck moving with speed which is not constant? तो यहाँ पे 4 फिगर दी है. Easily you can make out which one is not moving with a constant speed. थर्ड वन, क्योंकि वो कर्व है ना. अगर ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन आता है तो कांस्टेंट. ये तो पार्किंग वाला है पोजीशन, तो दिस वन इज द आंसर. ओके, फ्रॉम द होमवर्क पार्ट, Name the different types of graphs. Very simple. All these three names you have to write. Yes. Pie graph, pie chart, bar graph, line graph. Okay. Then below given as a figure is the distance time graph of the motion of. So from this you have to answer the question. What will be the position of the object at 20 सेकेंड. तो यहाँ पे आपको टाइम देखना है. 20 सेकेंड पे हमारा व्हीकल का पोजीशन क्या है, कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है. 8 मीटर. Yes, so answer you have to write 8 meter. Children always mention the unit also along with the value. Okay. Next, what will be the distance traveled by the object in 12 सेकेंड. Now 12 सेकेंड पे कहाँ कितना पहुंचा है हमारा व्हीकल. 6 मीटर. Very good. So this is the answer. Okay, so I hope that all are very much cleared with this part.